Hi everybody, welcome back. So I thought I'd show off my entry for the Bandai Group Build. This is going to be the first time I'm doing this. So it's going to be Bandai's Star Wars 1/12 scale Darth Vader. Thought I'd do a real quick little unboxing. You can see everything is still sealed up. I mean, the box doesn't have shrink wrap on it, so, but everything is still sealed inside. So everything is still in plastic. Okay. There we go. So you can see everything is still all bagged up. Here is the instructions, such as they are. Let's see here. Oh yeah, here we go. So, a few things. I've only done one other Bandai kit, and that was the Stormtrooper. I did, I don't know, a year or so ago or something. Can't remember now. Here's the rest. So if it's anything like that, it should go together pretty darn well. There's a couple of different things that you can do. A little bit of painting. So that's it. So that is my entry for the Bandai Group Build. Will be Darth Vader. I have to go back and double check exactly when it starts. I think it starts this month. Sorry about that. I do think it starts this month. Not 100% about that. 100% sure, but if it does, I will start this shortly. I hope everybody's doing well. And please comment, like, share, or subscribe to my videos. To all my long-term subscribers, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. And to anyone who's new, welcome aboard. I hope you enjoy the content here, and hopefully you'll stick around and see some of the builds and models and miniatures that I paint, and I hope you enjoy the content. I will talk to you all real soon. Bye.